Good morning. Well, it is morning. It's currently 9 o'clock ish. So, um, basically, starting my leave soon. Gonna be off work a little bit, paternity leave. Gonna be home with the babies and the wife. So, we're planning a trip to Jamaica again, but things didn't work out as expected. So we're gonna be spending a lot of time in Canada, so you guys will be able to see kind of a lot of things are in Ontario, which is where I live, and kind of surrounding areas, surrounding provinces, I guess. So one thing I like to do with my time off is I love to cook. Love to cook. So yeah, today I'm off. I've been off for the weekend. Today is Sunday. So we're gonna be going to a dinner a little bit later. So I'm gonna show you guys what's on the menu today. Alright. So for anybody that likes to cook or knows how to cook, they will know that preparation is key. Preparation is what takes the longest. So today we're planning to make some rice and peas and jerk chicken. Alright. For breakfast, we're gonna have an omelette, and yeah, maybe a banana or something. Something simple. For lunch, yesterday we did some grocery shopping, so we're probably gonna have some of these good old chicken strips. Probably some fries to go along with that. You know what I mean? For breakfast, maybe we'll have an omelet and some hash browns. Yeah, why not? For lunch, I'm also making, and maybe for dessert, making some sweet banana. So basically, it's plantain, put some coconut on top. Basically, you just kind of put it on low heat, and just let it simmer, slow cook, right? And then it'll get really soft, and hopefully that coconut will soak into the banana, and then that will be that. So these, obviously peas or beans, Jamaicans, they call it rice and peas, beans, anyways, whatever you want to call it. So these have been soaking since last night, I would say at about 11, and it's currently 9 o'clock. So they're still soaking, they're getting bigger, they're gonna get nice and soft and ready to cook. Then I cut up some tomatoes, some peppers, some onions, which is going to be part of the omelet as well as the meal later on. Then obviously we got ourselves some eggs, and here we got the chicken thigh. So next steps is to make the omelet. We got the pot ready to go, so we're going to make that omelet, and then hopefully the banana will be ready in about 20 minutes. And then we'll let the chicken thaw out, and then we'll put the jerk sauce on top. Let it marinate for a little bit, and then the wife is probably gonna cook the jerk chicken and the rice and peas, so you guys will be able to see that. Anyway, so link up in a little bit. Alright, so got the onions in the pot, sizzling, turn a little bit brown. Here we've got our omelet ready to go. Basically it's broccoli, tomatoes, peppers, and eggs. So we're going to mix those up, put them in there, and let it cook. Easy. It's like 5 minutes. Alright, so while that's going, flip the plantain. Alright, they're getting a little bit softer now, cooking nice and slow. Just add a little water so there could be a bit more moisture. So, my first time making this, so we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so the omelet is done. I like my stuff well cooked, What I decided to do here is I just moved the plantain basically to a small non-stick pan. Just to simmer for another 20-30 minutes. Low heat, of course, And then, breakfast will be ready. Alright, so it's 11 o'clock. Hash browns are ready. beans still soaking, so that's 12 hours. And so there's a wait for the hash browns to cool down so that we can eat soon. We basically washed the chicken, used water, rinsed it 2 or 3 times, then used vinegar, then spiced it, put lemon, put onions in there, some jerk seasoning, and also put some of that alum seasoning made by grandma. There's some cumin, some garlic, some ginger, and a bunch of other goodness. So you could put whatever you want. If you just want salt and pepper, and then some jerk seasoning, you're good. I like myself with a little bit more flavor, the island way. So that's that. So now I'm gonna mix that up, let that marinate. Probably gonna go take a nap after, and I wake up probably around 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. We're gonna start cooking. All right. So final product. Got some brownies, of course. Got some orange juice. Got some hash browns. Some cooked banana. More orange juice. The omelette. All right. Some ketchup to go along with that. Now we chilling with the fam too. Breakfast ready to go. All right. So a nice little nap after breakfast. And that's a little. And now we're gonna make that rice and peas and jerk chicken. So, show you guys. So took the jerk chicken, it's already marinated. We cut that up all nice, made some nice slits in it, so it soaked through. Made it 2 times, so that's all good. So that's gonna go in the oven. And then with the beans, basically water to cover it. And then we already got the rice. We soaked that rice, so we'll swell up a little bit. All right. So now it's time to chef it up. All right, things are moving. So we had that in there for about an hour. All right. We made the moving. Things are moving. So we had the beans in there now for about an hour. Just kept adding water as the water went down. So now we're gonna add in the coconut water, which I did 2 tablespoons for 2 cups of water. And we got some onions, and you're gonna add in some salt and pepper in there, and whatever other seasonings you want, like some garlic salt, anything like that. Yeah, we'll see where I'm going. All right, so some final touches. Basically, the rice, added everything in. Now it's just finishing up. So we leave that in there for about 20-30 minutes. And over here we take out the chicken, put some sauce, and sauce was just a mixture of some jerk seasoning. We did like a honey garlic mix with some ketchup, right? Mix that up, put it on top, and you put it in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. And then bam, good to go. All right. Let me zoom in real close. Jerk chicken's ready. They made some chicken strips and fries, just for a little snacking for dinner. And the rice and peas are good to go. And now, so everything is off. It's just gonna cool down a little bit. And then, yeah, it's gonna be time to eat. So, hopefully y'all enjoyed day 1 of the summer cooking. You know what I mean? Yeah, wish you guys are here to enjoy it with me, but maybe next time. But just follow the instructions. You watch the whole video, and then you guys could cook it up yourself. Peace.